Hi guys! Welcome to our YouTube food vlog. Now let's start cooking on how to make the crispy fried cauliflower with teriyaki sauce. All we need is 1 large of cauliflower, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of chili pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of iodized salt, 1 piece of medium white egg, and for the last, we need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Now let's proceed to the cooking method on how to make the crispy fried cauliflower. For the first step, remove the leaves of the cauliflower and slice the cauliflower in medium sizes. Always remember to be careful of using knives. When the cauliflower is already sliced in medium sizes, put in a bowl and set aside. For the next step, using a large bowl, now add the all-purpose flour, the iodized salt, the black pepper, the chili powder, and the cornstarch. Now use a wire whisk or a spoon or a fork and give a quick mix. Now add the water and the 1 piece of medium egg, then mix it well. After mixing it well, then set aside. Now preheat the pan in medium heat and add 1 1/2 cup of cooking oil. When the oil is already hot, dip the cauliflower in the flour mixture, then fry it until become golden brown. When the cauliflower is already cooked and golden brown, transfer in the plate with tissue to remove the excess oil. Then cook the remaining cauliflower with the same procedure. Now let's proceed to the ingredients on how to make the teriyaki sauce. For the first ingredients, we need 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and for the last, we need 1/4 cup of sesame oil. For the procedure, preheat the pan in medium heat and add the sesame oil. When the sesame oil is already hot, now add the sesame seed, mix it for 30 minutes or until become golden brown. When the sesame seed is already golden brown, now add the soy sauce and let it simmer for 1 minute while mixing. Now add the water, then let it boil. Now add the garlic powder, the black pepper, and the brown sugar. Mix it well for 1 minute. When the teriyaki sauce is already done, put the fried cauliflower, mix it well until the sauce coated the cauliflower. When things are already done, transfer the cauliflower in a serving plate. You can top a sliced spring onion, top by a sesame seeds, and now this is our crispy fried cauliflower with teriyaki sauce. Serve it immediately while it's hot. Enjoy eating with your family and with your friends. If you want more videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, share these videos, and hit the bell button for you to be notified by the YouTube for our upcoming videos here in our Dave and Val Baba Food Vlog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and God bless. Love, love, love!